Today we are going to continue to study time. Now today we are going to learn how to tell the time. Now you are going to see on the screen there are two different type of the clocks. One of them is digital, the other one is analog. Now you are going to see 3:45 as a digital. Under it you are going to see it with the analog. Also the clock is showing 3:45. Now to the other side we have 6:54 as a digital. Up, down we have analog clock. Also it's showing the time 6:54. Now let's see our examples. Now here we have an exercises. Now we are going to try to solve these exercises drawing the analog clock in our notebook, and we are going to show it with digital clock drawing in our notebooks. How it will be? Now the first one you are going to see that 12:40. I am going to use the analog clock to show 12:40. Now we have two arms here. One of them is short, the other one is long one. The short one is going to show the hour, the long one is going to show the minute. Now if I am going to show 12:40, then time must be around 12. Now then I am going to draw the short one as this one. This is 12:40. Not exactly 12. Not exactly 12 and half. It's past a little bit 12 and half. That's why I draw it here. Now the 40 minutes, we are going to count here 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 25, 30, 35, 40. It must be here. Then the long arm must be here. Now I draw 12:40. Now this is 12:40. I draw it. Now this is analog clock. Now I am going to draw as a digital. Now it's very simple, very easy. Here I am going to draw the screen. Now here will be 2 points. The left side will be for hour, the right side will be for the minutes. Now here will be 12 and here will be 40 minutes. Now with this one I did my first exercises. The rest of the exercises, they are belong to you. Please solve them. Now after this one, let's see our next example. Our next example similar with this one. Here we have the time. We are going to write as a digital, and with the words we are going to write it. Now the first example is done for you. Now it's 1:15 and quarter past 1. Now the rest of exercises, looking with this one, you can solve the rest of the exercises. Now let's go to the next exercises. The next exercises is this one. We have a table here. Complete the table for an AM and PM and 24-hour clock time. What we are going to do? Here written, here we have a table, here we have AM or PM time. Now down we have 24-hour clock. Now what we have here, for example, I have 9:30 AM. Now yesterday we did a table. On the right side there was AM, PM, and on the left side there was 24-hour clock. Now if we have AM, we are not going to do any change, just we are going to write it like 9:30. Now with this way, using yesterday table, we are going to fulfill all this table. For today we finished our lesson. Mostly you are going to work today. Okay, please do your job, solve them. If you have questions, please email me. Now what is the homework? The homework is today. The homework is now draw clocks on your notebook and show the time. Draw the table in your notebook and fulfill it. And count how many analog and digital clocks you have at home. With this one, we finish our lesson. See you tomorrow.